Hi, my name is Breda and welcome to Nenagh Library. For today's tutorial we're going to do this cute sock snowman and this is Olaf. Okay, let's get started. Here's what you need to make Olaf. You need a white bobby sock, any size will do, 3 bowls of rice, a plastic cup with the bottom cut out, and I'll show you how to use this in a little while. 2 white pom-poms, 3 white elastic ponytail holders, 2 goofy eyes, a little bit of orange card or felt. So if you have access to a printer, you can print out his hair, his eyebrows, his nose, his mouth, his arms, his buttons. And if you don't have access to a printer, these can be drawn and cut out. So you start by putting the sock around the cup, like this. I've pre-measured these. This is about 3/4 of a cup of rice. You pour that in. And then you just squeeze it down until you get the shape you want. And now you get one of the ponytail holders. Make sure you are tying it right in the center, or else your Olaf will be kind of lopsided. You might need some help for this part. Then get ready for the next section. This is the smallest section of Olaf's body. We put the cup back in again, like this. And we pour about 1/8 of a cup of rice. Squeeze it down, like this. And secure it with a clear elastic band. Okay, move on to the final section. Put your cup in again, like this. Pour in about 1/2 cup of rice. And shake it well. And secure it with an elastic band. And remember, Olaf's face is diamond shaped. It's long and narrow like this. And make sure it's nice and centered like this. Now you need some craft glue. Starting where the middle section touches the bottom section, secure the ball with some glue so that Olaf keeps his shape. Repeat this where the head and middle ball touch. Now we're ready to add his face. When you create Olaf's face, start with his mouth. That way you'll have room for his whole face. Glue the nose and eyes with the craft glue. And don't forget to add his eyebrows. That's what really gives Olaf his character. And don't forget the hair. When you give Olaf his hair, make sure you put it right at the base of the ponytail holder. Or it'll look like his hair is floating. Now we'll add the arms. For the hands, make sure the thumbs are on top. And we'll wrap it around his belly like that. Now we'll add his buttons. Put 2 in the bottom of his body here. And 1 on top in the middle section. And the last thing we need to do is give Olaf his feet. So we'll use these white pom-poms. And there you go. Here is your adorable Olaf sock snowman. I put it beside the one I made earlier,
and I hope you enjoy building one at home.